Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, in whichever part of the world you are, and I hope you guys are doing well. All right, so now let's do the recap and also let's see what's going on currently in the market. Okay, so this is gold, and as you can see guys over here, the gold is ranging. Okay, gold is bouncing between two zones, these zones over here, as you can see, bouncing like tennis ball between these two zones, supply and demand. And the price has not reacted to this level this much. As you can see, the candles are smaller and there is no momentum in the candles, and this shows that there is a probability that price will again come back to this level. It will play for a while and then it may continue to go up or it may come down. Even this is the resistance zone, so even price can come back to this level. Price can come over here and then it may come down. So okay, so it can come here and then it may start to fall, or it may range over here and it can go up. So these are the two probabilities, or it can fall from here as well. But I think we should wait for the price to come back to this level and see how it reacts at this level or over here, and then we can take our trading decision. Let it stay over here. All right, now let's go to next pair, that is GBPUSD. As you can see guys, now the GBPUSD is in the supply zone, right, and the price is still trending up, but this is the good confirmation that the price has rejected this level. So there can be a good selling opportunity, but I think best entry would be over here. So I think the price can again go back to this level. It can create a double top and then it might fall. Okay, so I don't see this as a clear setup to sell. So I would like to see more confirmation, so I'm going to wait for some time. And also it can break out this level. Just like this. This also can happen. So let's see what happens. Just give me a minute guys. Okay, so this can be the case. Now let's go to GBPJPY. Same thing goes over here. This is daily supply zone. This is daily supply zone. So as you can see, price is breaking this level, and again it's coming back to this level. So I think we should wait for some time, and for a while I think we can ignore this. Okay, so if the price comes back to this level, then there is a probability that it will fall from here, and this is the demand zone where the price can come back. Over here, but we should wait for the confirmation. As you can see, the price has broken this level, okay, and now it's ranging. So we gotta have a good confirmation, just like this. Do you see this big candle, this red big bearish candle? This is the confirmation that the price is going to fall. So this is what happened. Price came back, it did the retracement, and again it started to fall. So just like this candle, we gotta have the confirmation over here, and if we get that confirmation at this level or in this area, then it is a signal that the price is going to fall. So as of now, there is no trade zone right now, and as you can see, this is how the candle is ranging. Let's go to smaller time frame. Price is not going in the specific direction. It's like just correcting. See how this candles are small, and still these candles are small, even though they are bigger in the size, but still they are ranging. So we should avoid trading this kind of price action. Now let's go to Bitcoin. Even I have started trading Bitcoins. All right, guys. So now over here, this is a weekly supply zone. All right, let me trim that for you. Weekly supply zone, and this is for our supply zone. All right, so overall in the Bitcoin, we are in the supply zone. This is the weekly supply zone, and this is the 4-hour supply zone. Okay, and for a while, if this zone over here, 1-hour demand, let me specify that. One-hour demand zone. Okay, so I specified over here because for you it might be difficult to understand, so that's why I just mentioned that this can be the 1-hour demand zone, because I have drawn this demand based on 1-hour time frame, and this is the 4-hour supply zone. So this is the stronger, and if the price comes back to this level, then you may look for buying opportunity and for the target over here, because the price can range in this area. And also, if we get a strong bearish momentum, then we can look for sell over here. As of now, you can see the price has created this impulse, and now this is the correction. So there is a probability that the price can break out from this level and it can come back to this area. So let's see what happens. This, for me, this is just a correction. This is what it looks like. So let's see what happens in the Bitcoin, right? So now again, let's go back to the gold. As of now, I don't see any trade at the moment. Only we have to do is we have to wait for the price to come to the specific levels that I mentioned over here, like this over here. And if we see a strong bearish momentum, then we are going to sell at this level, at this supply area. And okay, also let's look at the Euro USD. Here's the chart. Where did it go? Oh, okay, area. All right, so it has created double bottom over here. This can be a really good trading opportunity, but I don't trade Euro USD, so okay, so now this is the playground for the Euro USD. Price is ranging in this zone. Okay. All right, guys. So do you guys have any questions, or do you guys have any problem that you're facing in the trading? Then you can comment in the chat box, and I would be more than happy to answer your queries and problems. All right, let's delete this. Hi, Mr. Shaising. Yeah, so I draw the zones on the 1 hour time frame and the 4 hour time frame. Okay, I don't go below that. I draw all the zones only on 1 hour time frame and the 4 hour time frame. That's it. Because those are the stronger time frames, and the zones are powerful at that time frame. So I follow 1 hour and 4 hour time frame. And as you go to the lower time frame, the strength of the zone becomes weaker, and that cannot be, sustainable, and that cannot be the tradable. You're welcome. I think the price can reverse back from this level. As you can see, how strong impulsive move has happened over here, and I see little weakness in the sellers over here, and ultimately the gold has to break out from this level, because this is impulse, this is correction, and once the correction finish, it will go back to this level, and it will continue the trend. So let's see what happens. Even it can fall from here. There is a probability. So this is the ranging zone. Also, I just wanted to add one more thing, that this is not the strong level. All right, this is just a zone based on 1 hour time frame, and I draw this zone because of this candle, and I feel that from here the price can reverse. So that's why I've drawn this zone, and this zone can also be broken. So I'm just assuming that the price can reverse back from this level. It can go back, and it can create a big bullish impulsive move from this level. Also, it can break this level. So let's see what happens. GBPUSD, let's look at that. Not strong. For a time being, we can avoid looking at GBP JPY, because it's in the no trade zone. So tell me guys, how is going everything? All good? Now let's see what happens to this level. I think the price may respect this level, and it can create a little bullish move, and then again it starts to fall. Right now we cannot enter the trade over here because that can be an impulsive trade and the price can reverse from this level. So I would like to wait for retracement. So let the price come back to this level or over here, and after that, if we get a bearish candle like retracement, for a while a retracement can happen and then it can start falling. It may break this level. That can happen as well. Right now we cannot trade over here. Yeah, and one more thing I just wanted to tell, that Shai asked for at what time frame you draw the zones. So yeah, sometime I also draw the zones on the 30-minute candle, but that's not all the time. Sometimes, not always. If needed, then I draw the zones on the 30-minute time frame, but most of the time it's 1 hour time frame and 4 hour time frame. Okay, this is what happens. Price breaks this zone and again it reverses back. So what happens, the retail traders, they think that this is the support or this is the support, and it has broken and it will now go back to this level or even further, and the price again reverses back and hits their stop loss. So this is the reason why you should avoid impulsive trading. You just have to let the candle close, and after that you have to take the trading decisions. The price has break this level and again it has started to come back in the zone. So this is the indication that the buyers are trying to push the market from here, or even there can be a retracement. So still there is a time, and we have to wait for the good confirmation and retracement. Yes, you can make a sell after this candle. See, as you can see over here, still the price is in the selling zone, and or from here as you can see how this strong impulsive move had started. So after this confirmation, okay, after this candle, you could have drawn your zones at this level as well, and as you can see over here you would have sold, but for this target, not for this one or this one, or neither this, because over here this is little support zone from where the price can reverse. So yes, of course you could have sell over here and the target would be at this level. And let's calculate this, how much pip it is. Okay, so it's 27 or 24 to 32 pips. You could have, you can do that. So as you can see guys, as I told you, this is this can act as a support, and the price can come react to this level and it can come back. So as you can see, buyers pushed the price and now it's trying to create a next bullish candle. Still it has not completed, but it does look like this can be a bullish candle and there will be a retracement. So this is how you should understand that how price reacts to certain levels. And if you learn to understand the price, then nothing can stop you. And if you know how the price reacts to certain levels, you will automatically start to wait for the setup. You will understand that, right, this is the time where I have to stop, and this is the time where I have to trade. But this is the time where I have to wait for good setup. We could have sold over here, but this is not the right place to sell. Although people will say that this has left this, the price has created strong impulsive move, so there is a probability that price can fall and we can sell over here, and you can put the stop loss here. But why do you want to put a stop loss of 30 to 40 pips stop loss? Why do you want to do that? Sometimes I keep the stop loss of 20 pips, but not more than that. Sometimes that too in the gold, and most of the time in the GBPUSD or any other pair which has small pips range. But so in that case I basically take 10 pips risk, 10 to 15 pips, and most of the time I entered in the momentum. So I don't have to worry about the stop loss, because I know the price is going to be in my direction, because I know where the price is heading. Hey guys, I just wanted to tell you one more thing. If you guys are watching this live stream and if you get to learn something that is new or that turned on the bulb in your mind, so just let me know in the comments, so that I would be really happy to hear that. That's something that my knowledge has, taught you something. I would really love to hear that. If you guys learned something from me that turned on the bulb in your head, Thank you so much for showing this much love. I would really like it. Thank you so much. If you guys are new to this channel, then also make sure you subscribe the channel, and you can also hit that like button if you guys like this live stream. Thank you so much. So do you guys have any experience that happened with you and that you would like to share? And based on your experience, if that's something I can relate to, then I can share my story as well. So is there something that you come across in the trading that you would like to share? And if you guys are watching any other trade, any pairs, and you guys would like me to analyze that pair, then also let me know, and I will share my insights with you, and I will share my perspective on that specific pair. Just let me know. Let's keep this this live stream happening and active so that we can interact with each other, and also you guys get to learn something from me. And if you guys have something that you can teach me, then also let me know. I would really love to hear that. If someone has something new to share. All right, I think the Telegram channel is there in the description, but still just give me a minute. Let me share that for you. There you go. All right, so here we have economist brother has asked a question that trend line drawing discussion, please. Okay, so how to draw the trend line? So basically I don't follow the trend line, but I can show you that how you can draw the trend line. And let me show you how we can do that, how I used to do that. All right, so let's clear this out. Okay, so initially, you know, when I was trading and when I started trading, I used I used to follow different ways to draw the trend line. But now basically there are two ways to draw the trend lines. All right, first is from wick to wick. Okay, you can follow this wick or this wick, or also this wick. Okay, it depends upon you. and based on the candle, because initially when the price started, then I could have drawn, if this never happened, then I would have drawn the support line at this week, and after that this happened. All right, then my trend line would be over here, and after this scan this week, I would draw my trend line at this level. Okay, so it depends on you and depends on the scenario. And for right now, I will draw the trend line over here because this looks satisfying that the price is respecting these levels. Okay, as you can see, the price is coming back to this level and it is respecting this trend line. So either you can draw the trend line on the wicks, the low of the candles in the uptrend. Okay, whenever the price is trending up, you will connect the lows of the candle, either the wick or the body, or you can switch the line chart and you can see how these points are connecting, how they are respecting. Okay, I draw this zone, this trend line from here, then I connected this point, and now as you can see how it has respected this level. So this is how you can draw this the trend line. And also, so whenever you draw the trend line on the line chart, okay, it will always create on the open and close of the body. Okay, so this is how you can draw the trend line. And also same goes with the bearish momentum, but I don't find it, you know, reliable to trade trend line because they are not so strong and they are not so clear. But this is how you can draw the trend line. You can draw over here at the top, connect the body, or connect this high of this candle, and as you can see, the price broke this trend line, it took the support, and it has started to trending up. Okay, I hope this makes sense to you. And also you can do the same. You can draw the trend line on the line chart. And as you can see, price came down, came back to this level, now trending up again, taking the support, and still again there is a probability if the price goes back over here, and if the price comes back to this level, then you should wait for the confirmation. You should wait for the price to react to this level, and if you get a bullish sign on this trend line, then you can look for buying opportunity. And if the price breaks this level, all right, if it breaks over here and again it retests back, then you can look for selling opportunity. So this is how you draw the trend line and you trade. I hope this makes sense to you and I answered the question. And if you have still have any question and doubt, just let me know and I will clear your doubts. Okay, so Neha is saying Satyam. Okay, so one day I place one order according to my analysis, but it goes wrong. After that I found one good move, but I ignored it, but due to fear, but it goes 100 pips. Great. Yeah, you know, this happens, you know, sometimes it happens. Even for me, it has happened many times. back in the days where when I used to trade, I used to sometime I used to book the loss. Okay, I used to lose, and after that, I avoided that trade, and price went exactly how I expected it to go. So I can relate to you, and I completely understand how it feels like. Yes, you should place a trade, but with the proper risk management. With the proper risk, even if you make a small amount of money, okay, even if you make small amount of money, that is also fine. But once you see that the price is going in your direction as you expected, as you anticipated, that will boost your confidence. Okay, so next time whenever things like this happen, if you lose the money, okay, if you lost the trade, if the price if the market hits your stop loss, you can, and if you still think that the price is going to be in your direction, just use the 1 cent trade. All right, just use the small lot size and see how the market is reacting, and see if your stop loss, if your take profit gets hit, and if you're making a profit. And if that happens, okay, even if it hits the stop loss, still you get to you learn something, that you did something wrong, and you can analyze that what you did wrong, and next time you can avoid that. And if the price goes in your direction, that means you did right, and you were right. Okay, so that will boost your confidence. And always remember, one loss doesn't define you as a trader. Everybody makes losses. Even I make losses. Everybody does that, and sometimes even I go wrong. So as a human, we do make mistake, but that's okay. That's part of it, and we all learn from the mistakes. Okay, so now how to minimize the pips in the SL. Some people are giving me even 100 pips SL. How to identify the correct SL? So answer to this question is, what you should know what exactly you are doing. Okay, 100 pips stop loss is seriously dumbest thing I ever seen. Because when I was a beginner and I started trading, okay, when I was looking for the signals and all the stuff, I had subscribed to so many people, and I have paid so much money to the signal providers, and they used to give me a 50, 200 pips, 100 pips, 150 pips stop loss, and that was really, really frustrating. When you give the stop loss like that, I don't know what's going on. I was so frustrated. So the reason why I stopped following all this and started to learn the price action and how we can put the stop loss smaller. So I stopped everything. Okay, I just started to learn the price. Okay, and now in this case over here, just a minute, let me show you. All right, so over here in this case, let's say for example, okay, this is the price. Okay, price broke this zone again, it came back into this range. Okay, now the price retraced back. Okay, price has retraced back. So as you can see, this candle formed, and after that, if you want to sell, you can sell over here or over here or even over here. Okay, you can sell anywhere in this range. Okay, so your ideal stop loss should be above this candle, okay, or this candle, above this candle. This can be really high, but in my case, I know the price action, so I will sell over here and I will put my stop loss over here. Okay, and so this is how I minimize the stop loss. I look for the recent retracement area. Okay, this was the recent retracement area. This was the impulsive move. This was retracement, and after that, this selling candle came in, so which told me that this is the trend continuation indication. So I will this was the bearish candle. I will sell over here and I will put my stop loss above this candle or above this candle. This is how I minimize the stop loss. This is how I do. Same thing you can do. Okay, if you are trading trend lines, okay, and let's say, suppose if you took the trade over here, okay, at this level, if you bought, okay, this is the impulse, you bought at this level, then you can put your stop loss just below this candle or below this candle. This can be really high, but I think this will be the, according to me, this below this, that will be sufficient. If you are correct, then the price should not break this level and it should continue the direction. And if you are wrong, okay, then price is going to break this level, this candle, and the price is going to fall. This is how this is how I define the stop loss. So guys, as you can see, I told you this will this can act as a support, and as you can see, the price reversed back. This was the rejection, this was the bullish candle. Again, second candle is closing bullish. This is how you avoid getting caught in the wrong trade. So you should understand that what price is doing. Okay, so economist brother, I hope I answered your question, and if you still have any doubt, just let me know. I will answer your question, and I will try my best to give you the right information and to clarify your doubt and queries. All right, so for me, my favorite trading pairs are gold, GBPUSD, GBPJPY, and Bitcoin. These are my four most favorite pair, and I only look for trading opportunity in these pairs. The reason why I trade this pair, because gold and Bitcoin, it has a really nice pip range. Okay, whenever the moves are very big and the pips are very high, so even in the 2 or 3 candles you can get a good pips. And GBPUSD and GBPJPY, they are also quite volatile, and it has a really clear price action. Let me show you. Okay, in the GBPUSD, it has a really amazing clear price action. I have been trading this pair for a really long time, and I really love to trade this pair because the price action is so clear. And whenever there is no clarity, it also you can gauge that. You can understand that something is not clear, so you can see that on the candle. So this is the reason why I love GBP Jpy and GBPUSD, and I love trading gold and Bitcoin for the volatility and the strong big moves and high pip range. Okay, so should we go for layering with small account or take single trade floating and loss? I didn't understand your question. Should we go for layering with small account? What do you mean by layering with small account? Economist brother, could you please just elaborate your question? The first thing, we are in loss. Signal provider says place an even bigger order in the same direction. So the first thing that you should understand is what is the trend, okay? And you should not blindly follow the signal providers, because they don't even know what they are doing. Seriously speaking, they don't know what they are doing. They're just giving you the signals blindly, or they are buying signals from someone and they are providing it to you. And first of all, you don't know the context, that what is their mentality and what's their mindset and what's exactly is going on the trend. Now, why they are predicting that the price is going in that direction and you should put that bigger lot size. Okay, you should understand that first. See, according to me right now, let me give you an example. Okay, if I know the price is going to fall from this level, all right, if the price is going to fall from this level, then I would sell over here, okay, and I will put my stop loss over here. And if my stop loss gets hit, okay, I will never ever move my stop loss. I will let that hit my stop loss, and I will see if the price is going up. Okay, if the price has again reversed back, okay, and it gave me the confirmation, then I will enter again, okay, and I can enter small lot size or big lot size, whatever can be the case, okay, whatever the confirmation, how strong the confirmation I have, okay. But I will never ever add a bigger lot in the losing trade again, because that can wipe out my equity in one single move. Anything can happen. There are ways where the price is moving so fast. Let's say for example, or in this case, okay, over here, as you can see, the price is falling, okay, and if someone has put the sell order over here, let's say for example, after this candle, okay, this candle closed, let's say this is a retail trader thinking, okay, this is someone will say that this is the support and this candle has closed below. That means it has broken this level and now the price will fall from here. So let's say for example, he or she has sold at this level, okay, or sold at this level. Let's say for example, and have put the stop loss at this level, okay, and the target would be over here. Okay, so if the price reverse back from this level, okay, do you see how this strong big bullish candle is this? Just look at this candle, how big this candle is, okay, and even if you are still holding this trade after this big candle, and if you are adding another big lot, just imagine what will happen. And if you drag the stop loss above this and you're still holding this, and if you're adding another big lot size, just imagine what will happen. So you should never ever add the bigger lot size in the losing direction, over the losing trade, okay. And also you have to use a smaller lot size, okay. If you are holding your trades for 50 to 60 or 100 pips, then you gotta hold your trade, you gotta put your trade with the small lot size, and you should take only 2 to 3% of risk on that trade. You cannot add another big lot on the losing trade. That's it. You should know what is happening and what am I holding the trade in the right direction. Is there a probability that price can reverse? Is there any probability that price will keep going against my direction? You have to look for that. And always remember, cut the losses and hold the profits for a longer period of time with the stop loss break even. And one more thing I just want to tell you, never follow the tips provider, signal provider. They're just dumb, I really seen worse days by following a signals provider. I'm sharing my experience, what I have been through and what I have faced. Okay, so there was a guy, okay, and he has a channel, and in his channel I think there were about more than 20 to 30,000 people, or I think 15,000 or 10,000. I don't remember exactly those numbers, but he has really good following in the Telegram channel, and he used to put his all the weekly results and all the stuff, okay. And I still remember it was the time of month, that was the month of December, okay. It was Christmas, and on the Christmas he said that in this year we made 60 or 62,000 pips in his VIP channel, all right. And I will, this is how we get attracted. He had shared everything in an Excel file and everything, calculated all the pips by month by month and everything. I was like, this guy is crazy. is giving really good signals. He made 60,000 pips in his trading channel, in the VIP channel. So I got, I took the impulsive decision. I contacted him, and I said that I would like to join your channel, and I'm really amazed that you made 60,000 pips in 1 year. You know what happened? I joined his channel. I paid for the VIP channel for that guy, okay? And the very next month, he after the December, people don't trade at that time, so there is no volatility. And after that, in January, when he started giving his signals, okay, he started giving signals, and within the 2 days, okay, within the 2 days, I lost 600 pips. That's really shocking, and I asked him that what is going on, brother, and he also, just like you, buddy, he told in the VIP channel to put the stop loss of 50 pips, 100 pips, and also told us to add positions again and again, okay? After every single move, he told us to add few more lot size, few more trades, okay? And we kept doing that, and in 2 days it was 600 pips loss, okay? And I still remember that pair. That was GBPUSD. GBPUSD was that pair, and I lost 600 pips on that, okay? And I contacted him that, hey brother, what to do? I'm in loss, and what should I? So he said, I'm also holding this trade, and actually he said, but he didn't show me, okay? But I showed him that this is in the I'm in minus 600 pips loss, and believe me, that was really shocking. Even when I used to trade by myself, I never ever had 600 pips stop loss, okay? And I closed that trade with, I think, more than 600 pips less, or minus 600 pips, and that was really shocking. And again, he did not post that loss in the public channel. I literally, I saw that he did not post that in his public channel, but and still he was posting, only the results that went in the profit. Seriously, I mean, those were really bad days of my, trading days. It was really, what can I say, man? So this is what happens, when you follow the tips provider. And still that guy is, posting the signals. And I even in the channel, in that channel, he said that this has never happened with us, this is the very first time this is happening, and that and all that stuff. But and after that, still okay, and I thought that that's okay. Sometime it happens, sometime the market doesn't goes in your direction. But after the weeks and weeks, same thing was happening. Most of his trades were getting hit stop loss, and the winner, okay, sometime sometime TP was getting hit, then he used to post those profitable trades only in the public channel, who has not paid for the signals. So this is how he used to fool people. And what happens, once you give money to them, okay, and if you fight with them, they will block you right away. that's what happened. Okay, so Neha says the sir, hey, he tried to say can go place one more trade in same direction. Sorry, but I need to go. Okay. Okay, so economist, I think I answered your question and also shared my experience. Just let me know if you still want to ask something, or if I failed to answer your question. Okay, all right guys, so now it looks like we can look for selling approach. We can look for sell over here. As you can see, the price has retraced back, and this has created the bearish candle. So I think we can look for selling, or look for sell over here, and put the stop loss above this, and hold the hold for the target, or first target, second target, and this is the third target. But we will not enter the trade right away. Let's wait for the confirmation. And let's see. And this candle should close, strong bearish candle. Yes, Shai Singh, yes, there are so many, fake people. Even they are, running the Instagram ads. They are running ads. I've seen that. Patience is important. Yes, you can self-education is really the best education. It may take time, but you will succeed. And patience is, of course, important in whichever career you are, in whichever place you are. Patience is really important. All right, guys. So now this candle is again starting to close in the bullish. So we will still wait for the confirmation. Let's see. Let's wait for this candle close in the bearish, and let's see if we get a good indication. Okay, so economist, you said that should we place trade after resistance rejection and putting the stop loss over 10 pips? See, it depends on the candle. All right, and it's not I cannot say the 10 pip. It depends on the pair. Okay, for example, 10 pip in the gold is too less. Okay, let's say for example over here, if you sell over here, okay, then this is, according to me, the previous candle high or low will be my stop loss, according to me. Okay, in this case, this is the, if this is the confirmation candle that price will go reverse from this level, then I will trade over, then I will enter over here, and I will put my stop loss above this candle. Okay, sometime I put my stop loss above the zone, because that's really safe. That's really safe. You cannot you cannot put the 10 pip stop loss for any trade. That depends from the price level and from that situation. My best suggestion would be, just join me on the live stream. Okay, just follow with me and see how I trade. I share profit target and also the stop loss. So from that you will learn and understand that why I give such stop losses and the take profit. Okay, so guys, this looks promising, and I think we can sell over here on the gold. I will wait for the price to retrace over here. Okay, but before that, okay, this is the minute 30 candle is not closed bearish. All right, so I have sold the gold over here. I've sold the gold over here, and my stop loss is above this, candle. This was the impulse, I think, and this is the correction, the retracement, and now the price will continue back to this level. So now let's see what happens. I think now the price should break this level because this retracement has already happened. See, that depends on the situation. That also depends on the situation. Okay, if you are trading, if you have entered the market over here, then you can put the stop loss after some, after the price breaks this level. Okay, because there is a probability that price can reverse back. As you can see, even after this big strong move, the price has reversed in this direction at this level, till this level. Okay, so let the price break this level. Okay, once the price break this level, after that you can put the stop loss in the break even, because still there is a probability that price can reverse back and again it can fall down. So my once it breaks the next support or resistance, then you should put your trade into the break even. Now in this case, let me tell you, in this case, after this candle we entered trade over here, right? We entered the sell. So if this candle, after this candle, the price breaks this level, okay, this candle closes below this level, then we can put the trade into break even, because I know once this zone is broken, then there is a probability that price will continue into this demand zone. Then you can put the stop loss in break even. Until then, you have to put the stop loss where it has been, and always risk lowest amount of your equity so that you can sit, relax, and have peace of mind, instead of worrying about hitting your stop loss and putting in the bigger lot size. this candle must close in strong bearish, you know, it should close in a strong bearish momentum. Then there is a probability that we are in the right trade. Okay, because also there are 50-50 chances that price again can reverse back from this level. Okay, there is a probability, but let's see what happens. I think the price should continue down, but let's see. Okay, so now price has started to reverse from this level. Let's see what happens. I will wait for this candle to close. Okay, if this candle closes bullish, then I will close my trade, and if this candle closes bearish, then I will hold my trades. I have added two or three more positions. I added two more positions in this trade. Since the price reversed back to my level, so I added two more trades. Hey, I'm sorry. I think you were not able to hear my voice. I'm sorry. I have muted my mic and I explained everything, but I think you didn't hear anything. I really apologize for that. Okay, so let me give you an example. Let me explain you again. Okay, so see, this was the trade that I had taken. Okay, I had sold over, so I had sold over here, and I knew the price is going to fall. Okay, and there was a demand zone at the bottom, so I held this trade for this target. Okay, and I closed this trade over here. Do you see this yellow color over here? I had closed my trades over here. Okay, over here. So I booked around 200 pips profit, and I knew there is a news. So what happened? The news was positive for GBP USD, GBP. So price came to this demand zone. It collected all the trades. Okay, it grabbed you can call it a liquidity pool, where it price retraces back. It grabs the order and then it reverses in the right direction. It goes in the right direction. Okay, so it is just a grabbing the orders, and this all orders are being collected by the institutions and banks, because they only know these are the price levels from where they have to grab the liquidity and they have to grab the orders, and they know this is where the retail traders stop loss would be. So for example, some retail traders would, where they will put their stop loss. Let's say for example, this is the swing low. Okay, so what they will do, they will put their stop loss over here. Okay, if they are considering this as a support, okay, so they will buy at this level or this level, and they will put their stop loss here. So banks and institution knows that the price, that the stop loss are here, and from here they can grab the more and more orders. So this is why the retracement happens, and banks and institutions only knows these levels, and this is the reason why most of the traders lose their money. So it's just a liquidity pool, liquidity grab, that's it. And always remember, the price will always grab the orders from supply and demand zone, then only it will go into their direction, in whichever direction it has to go. All right, now I think, okay, awesome. I hope this makes sense to you. I over explain things a little bit, but I try to elaborate. Okay, so just let me know if you have any doubt. I will answer your questions. Okay, you missed this trade. No worries, man. You can always, find another trade. The market is going to be here forever, so no need to worry. You will find another opportunity on the next day. No need to worry. All right, guys. So tell me, who is in the profit? Have you guys took any trade? I mean, this trade. Did you guys take this trade? And if you did, just let me know. I would be really, really happy. Okay, this was good trade. All right, so now as you can see, economist brother, to answer your question, as you can see, the price has broken this zone. Okay, so now you can put your stop loss to break even. Now this is the time. No problem, you can trade, you can take another trade on tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Opportunities will always be there. Okay, I think you can close this trade over here, or you can put the trade on at break even. So economist master, did you take this trade? Did you take this gold trade that I shared? And yes, I know you will find definitely the profitable trade, because I have seen on the Telegram, as we have talked, you are making really good progress. I can see that. And there it goes, 200 pips. The reason why suddenly decrease in price is because the price was at the selling zone. It was the supply zone. So this is the reason why the price fell. Price fell, gave the confirmation, a retracement, and entered the sell and the trend continuation. I just shared my knowledge and you just implemented it. It's all your hard work, buddy. It's all your hunger to learn something. That's what takes you into the right direction. And that's what, sets you for the success. So now let's put this. Okay, so now we are already in 39 pips profit. Let's look at this candle. Okay. I think the price can also come back to this level. There is a probability. Or even it can reverse back from this level and it can go straight right up. It's in the zone, in the middle of the zone. So let's see what happens. I think the price can reverse back from this level because this is the strong rejection into this level. Let's draw this. Okay, so as you can see guys, this has respected this zone. And again, same thing may happen. price can reverse back from this level and again retrace back to this level, and again it will start to fall, or it may again go back up. So I think you should close this trade, or you should put it to the break even. So that your equity is safe. It's all up to you. I'm going to close my trades, I think, almost everything. I should have closed my trade on the 200 pips, but I was busy answering the questions and posting on the Instagram. So is there someone who is holding this trade apart from the Neha? Satyam, I'm sorry, I do remember your name. Let's go to minute 30 candle. I think the price should again come back to this level and it should close over here. All right, so now let's see what happens. This candle closes bullish, then it will retrace back to this level, and again it will start to fall, and it will continue the trend. That should be the case, ideal case scenario. Let's see what happens. All right, guys. So, do you guys have any questions you want to ask? You want to know something? We're just monitoring this chart. If you guys have any questions, anything you guys would like to know. I think now the price should continue, or it may range over for some time, and then it can continue this trend. That can happen in this case. Also, the price can stay continuing in the direction. Yes, it may continue at the bottom at this level. That is what I said. It has broken this this support, then it should continue back to this level. In this buying zone. That's why I said that if you guys want, you can put your stop loss to break even, or you can close your trade over here, because this has rejected this zone, as this candle has rejected this zone. And as you can see, this retracement happened, and again price falling, and same thing is I think happening over here. The price fell, rejected this level, retracement, and again price falling. The trend continuation. So let's see. Okay, so I haven't closed my trades yet. I'm still holding my trade. Usually I close my trade around 100 to 200 pips. And currently I'm not trading on the bigger account. I'm trading on the small account, because I am creating some of the case studies for the future reference, so that people, the traders like you guys, can refer to it. Yes, but the gains are the same. You know, it doesn't matter what account size you are using. It's $100, 200, 10,000, or 100K. It doesn't matter. You should learn how to trade. That is the most important key in the trading. Even if you have a $1 million account, and still if you don't know how to trade and how to, you know, trade in the right directions, then definitely you are going to lose money. Even with the $100 account, you can grow it to 500 to 1,000 and 10,000. You can do that. if you know how to do it. Yes, my friend. Now I think the price should continue back to this level. And if it can, I think it can break this level as well, and it can come back in this zone at this level. Let's see what happens. This is the first time I'm holding trade for this long. Because I think the price may continue in this direction, and it can break this level. It can, not 100% sure, because you never know what can happen in the market. Yes, I'm going to host the live stream every day. All right, I'm going to do it 24/5, Monday to Friday. And going forward, I will update you guys if the live streaming is not happening. Then I will surely update you guys on the Telegram channel. Yeah, and just one more thing I wanted to let you know, guys. As you can see, we took the risk of 13 pip, but just imagine how much we made. Okay, if just in case if we book a profit over here, still it's, you know, it's really good profit. The risk to reward ratio is 1:4. So just imagine how you guys can make it possible, you know, just following the simple rules and understanding and reading the price. And if the price comes back to this level, that means it's 1:8 risk to reward ratio. And if it comes back to this level, if it breaks this level and it comes over here, then it's 1:14, 1:17, and 1:22. Oh my god, that's really mind-boggling. Let's just say in the reality, This is just like a dream, you know. You are welcome. You are most welcome, and you are most welcome on this live stream. I would love to see you guys every day and share my knowledge with you. Let's look at the Bitcoin. What happened to it? Is it falling or it's continuing up? Okay, still the price is continuing back. So this is the reason why I did not trade Bitcoin, because still there is no clarity or confirmation that the price can fall from this resistance, this supply area. Let's look at GJ, still ranging. Now let's go to GBPUSD. Okay, it's falling, but still you see this retracement. I don't like to trade this kind of trades, big retracements. So that's why I decided to trade gold for today, because I saw this clear indication that the price is going to fall. I think now this candle should close bearish. If this candle closes bearish into this zone or just below this zone, that means the price is now going to fall. And if the price falls down and it closes below this area, this zone, that means the price is going to fall like a hell till here. That is 1797. Let's see. And yes, the price is reversing. The price is falling. Yes, you know, I understand. Even GBP JPY, you know, sometimes it's really ranging badly. You know, it ranges really bad. But yes, it has a good clear price action. You know, the focus, you gotta focus only one pair at a time. Now let's say, for example, I'm trading gold right now and I have my trading position open on the gold. Okay, so I am just monitoring the gold. Okay, even out of the setup, initially I did recap of all these pairs. Okay, but I saw that there is an opportunity on the gold to trade, so that's why I just stayed on the gold. I did not look at any other pair. I mentioned already that we are going to follow the gold and we are going to find an opportunity on the gold. So that's why I stayed on the one single chart. I have these pairs, I do the analysis all of the pair, but out of all of them I decide that which one pair to trade, which is the best one and which is going to give me a good trade setup today, and I just stick to that chart. I don't look at any other pair. I just stay on that chart and I stick to this chart, and as you can see how it has given me the opportunity. So it's not important to trade 10 pairs. Instead, you can focus on one pair at a time. Okay, decide on which pair you have the good trading opportunity and just wait for it and grab it, take your money and get out and come back tomorrow again. That is how you need to trade, and that is how everyone should trade. This is the important aspect of trading, which most of the retail traders doesn't know that. Even some, they think that trading multiple pairs and opening the trading position on the multiple pairs is going to make them more money, but that is not the case. Trading on the one pair at a time will make you good money. And I really learned this very hard way. Even back in the days, I used to open multiple charts on the screen, and I used to open multiple trading positions on the different chart, and I was thinking that on an average I will make money, but on an average I lost money all the time. So never ever do that. Just follow one pair at a time and just focus on that and wait for the opportunity. Just whenever you see the opportunity, take the trade, book your profit, and repeat the same thing again tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and every day. I think now the price is trying to take the support at this level. Okay. Now it seems like we have to close the trade, I think. But let's wait for this candle to close and let's see what happens. Perfect. You should. And it will be really good for you if you do that every single time. I'm sorry, I cannot show my face. I don't like to show my face. I'm sorry. I would like to stay anonymous, and I love my privacy. It doesn't matter if I show my face or not. What matters is, the information, the knowledge that I share with you guys, and the knowledge that I'm sharing, is it good or not? That really matters a lot. There are people out there who are showing their faces, showing their Lamborghinis and Mercedes, and still, scamming people. So I would like, I would love to see, people following my knowledge, loving my knowledge, and I want people to love me for my knowledge that I share with people. That what really counts for me. Hey guys, is there any news for today? Let me check. I haven't checked it yet. Forex Factory, let's go to that. Where is that? All right, we're here. Let's check this out. Calendar and today. Okay, so guys, there is no news today. Yeah, but there is a news for FOMC. That's on 10:30 p.m. So I think by then now we are going to close our trades. Yes, my friend, the knowledge is really important. It doesn't matter who I am. If the knowledge that I share with you, it doesn't make any difference in your trading, then there's no worth of anything. No, it worth nothing. And also now in half an hour, this candle is going to close. All right guys, so I think we have to close this trade. All right. Usually I don't trade during the trade. Sometime, I just get into it. If I see the price is going in specific direction, and I know that the price should go in this direction, and if I find the opportunity, then sometime I trade impulsive, sometime, not always, sometimes I do, but most of the time I don't do that. I don't like to do that, because it means if you are trading blindly, that is a gambling. For me, that is gambling. If you are just trading blindly, and I don't like to gamble on the trades. Just look at this, guys. People think that I don't trade, but I'm trading it live. and as you can see over, it's 150 pips right now. I sold over here. I do that on the chart as well. I told that I sold over here. This is my entry price. Over here, I sold over here, still holding the positions. I think now the price should continue